How to draw Michigan. We're going to start out by drawing a small straight line. This will be for the bottom part of the lower peninsula. Next, we're going to draw the top of the lower peninsula. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Well, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, your drawings are looking great. Now let's go ahead and draw the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This is how to draw Michigan. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, then be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.